Alright, what's up, y'all? Day 43, coding every day. This one's probably going to be a good bit shorter. Um, I feel like I've said that the past 3 days, and then they all end up going over an hour anyway. But I'm not planning on working on the Git project at all, mostly just because I have a headache. I, for a little bit of an update, I did 6 job applications today, reached out to someone for a referral too, worked on new food a bit to make this operation hours thing look a little different. I think it just looks cleaner. It was actually a recommendation from one of my friends. Um, and then it'll have like a current time display, but I'm still working on it. But because I was thinking of just cutting it. But yeah, essentially it'll be like a red line through all of the locations. And then you'll be able to see like what's open where. What's up, Ben? What's up, J9? Yeah, I think it's cool. It was actually it was Alex's idea, Ben. So kind of goated idea. And obviously, I am no UI engineer, so I might have cursored it a little bit. Because like, why did we add a key here? I feel like this is intuitive enough. Look on the ground. I think so. I hope you're doing well as well. But yeah, I think it's cool. It's kind of hard to test the data, especially because like added a calendar with this stuff. But guess what is staying the exact same? But whatever, because it's summer and only Sargent is open. But yeah, that's what I got up to today. I'm gonna try this. I don't like that it's a hard. However, it had a pretty high pass rate and 4 hints, so I'm just gonna try it. And then, if my headache continues, I'll just read the editorial, implement it, and go to bed. So that's the plan for tonight. Okay. I given a 2D array points of, okay, the same thing as last time, representing integer coordinates. Sure. We define the right direction as the positive x-axis and the left direction as the negative. I mean, this just looks like the left. Or I mean, yesterday's. Similarly, we define the up direction as, yeah, okay, whatever. You have to place n people, including Alice and Bob, at these points, such that there's exactly one person at every point. Alice wants to be alone with Bob, so Alice will build a rectangular fence with Alice's position as the upper left and Bob's position as the lower right. Turn the number of pairs of points where you can place Alice and Bob such that Alice does not become sad? What the fuck does it mean to be sad? In Chicago for a vacay? Oh shit, man. Hope you're having fun. Chicago's beautiful. If I'm ever asked to go there, I'll just leave. Yeah, I wish I could do that. Okay, so what does it mean for Alice to become sad? If any other person, okay, if any person other than Alice and Bob is either inside the fence or on the fence, Alice will be sad. Note that Alice can only build a fence with Alice's position as the upper left corner and Bob's position as the lower corner. Wait, so how is this different from last time? It's a hard, not a medium? What the fuck does that mean? Is it just the time constraints harder? Like, fundamentally, what is different in this? It's just time constraints? It's the same fucking problem? I mean, my solution last time was n squared. How do you get better than n squared? Because I know the editorial last time was n cubed. Okay, I mean, I'm just gonna fucking re-implement what I had yesterday then. What was it? It was like this. I kind of forget the syntax. Do I believe this? Still don't understand the question. It's essentially like just you need to match an upper left with a bottom right, and the points can't contain other points. But yeah. Also, how you doing, Shaman? Okay. Res equals 0. Let me make sure this is actually printing. I mean, actually, like, doing the points that I want. No. What the fuck was the syntax for this? I'm just gonna, literally, I'm gonna physically block out. Oh, it was just key equals. Okay, yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, yeah, so we want 2, 6, and we want 4. Yeah, okay, cool. That's what I want. Okay. So close that, because I want to try to go from memory here. Turn res. So we're going to go for... So I missed my alarm. For fucking what now? What, an Optiver interview? Oh, God. Okay. So for top left, no, my online class? Oh, that doesn't fucking matter, bro. Oh, shit, right, for Pacific time. Yeah, you're cooked, buddy. Trying to remember exactly what I did last time. It was simply like we would check. I remember we would never break. We would continue if this y value so if our ry is greater than our ly, and rx is not equal to lx, continue, else if, what's a valid condition? A valid condition is our ry being less than or equal to ly, and our rx being greater than Rx being greater than or equal to Lx. Then our res will plus equal, or no. And you also check ry greater than ly and maybe another and our ry is less than our max y, then our res will plus equal to 1 and our max y will be equal to our y. Do I believe this? I don't know. We'll see. Zero. Let me make sure our points are right. So we would have, yeah, 2, 6, 4, 4. And, okay. So what's happening here? Because at 2, 6, our next one, like our 2, 6 should then be going to 4, 4, which should be valid because our ry is less than this, so we're not going to continue. Our ry is less than or equal to this, and our rx is, this should be infinite. Wait. Still 3. How did I figure this out last night and I can't figure it out tonight? Well, I'm a fraud. Because this needs to be you. Haha. Let's hope this holds, because I remember test cases being a fucking bitch last time. Cool. I don't know why we had to redo this. But hey, at least I didn't do the n cubed yesterday, so this one was just easy. Feels cool, man. Editorial is interesting. What's the editorial? Oh, you just don't need to do this. 2D prefix sum press. What the fuck is this? Hell no. What the fuck is this? Bro, this is like the intuitive solution. I didn't even like their O of n cubed. That shit was not intuitive. This is the intuitive solution. I will die on that hill. Like, oh, fuck this, bro. I actually don't care. Alright, whatever. Do I want to do anything else? Because that only took 15 minutes. I was kind of thinking that was going to take like 30. Or do I just want to go to bed? I'm just going to go to bed. Gentlemen, it's been a pleasure and an honor. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Or if you're going to bed, you probably should be going to bed. So, good night, y'all. I will probably have a similar length stream tomorrow. Honestly, my mom's coming in. So yeah. Surely one of these days I'll be a real programmer. That day's not today, but maybe soon. All right. Yeah, have a good night, Arisha. Have a good night. Oh my god, I can't talk.